Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to save on money transfers with Western Union? Here's how you can find the top 3 promo codes to reduce your transfer fees. First of all, open your web browser like Google Chrome and go to the search bar. Type Western Union promo codes top 3 and press enter. You will see several trusted coupon websites with the latest promo codes for Western Union. These codes help you save on transfer fees or offer discounts for first-time users. Click on one of these sites to view the top codes. Look for deals like first free for no fees on your first transfer. Select a code that works best for your transfer and copy it to your clipboard. Now visit the Western Union. Visit the Western Union website or app. Start your money transfer and paste the promo code at checkout to apply your savings. And that's it. You have successfully saved on your money transfer with a Western Union promo code.